Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name that you have set up on your ESPN Fantasy Sports account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ESPN Fantasy Sports website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button that you see within the homepage and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, if you wish to change the name that you have set up within your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on ESPN profile. Within this page, you will be able to change your first and your last name. So type in your preferred first and your last name within this section and then scroll down and click on the done button once you have made your desired changes. And after clicking on the done button, your changes will be saved and your account name will now be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on your ESPN Fantasy Sports account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.